Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix invalid destination address in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and scroll down, and here you can see the messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.